Hello everyone and welcome back to Immigrate with French. In this video, we'll talk about the difference between rentrer, retourner, and revenir. Many people find them super confusing. Today we're going to find out when to use which, and we're going to confirm with more examples and even a short exercise at the end. So let's get started. Let's start with rentrer. Rentrer, from its name, it's to re-enter. So you re-enter into a building. Most probably this building is your home or base. So it can be to go back home or to re-enter a building. So, par exemple, je rentre du travail à 19 heures. So I come back from work. Where do I come back to? Home. Les enfants rentrent à la maison après l'école. So think of it as re-entering and not just going back. That is rentrer. Now let's see retourner. Retourner means that you return. So you go back to a place that you have been to before. Maybe you visited this place, maybe you were living there, and you want to go back or to return to this place. Par exemple, je retourne à Paris cet été. I'm going back to Paris this summer. This means that I have been to Paris before, or maybe I was living there for some time. Elle retourne à l'école après les vacances. Now let's see revenir. Revenir means to come back to a place where you currently are or where you will be. It's frequently used with coming back from or coming back to. Par exemple, je reviens à la maison à 18 heures. I'm coming back home at 6 p.m. Il revient de Paris demain. So it's coming from, in this case we use revenir, is coming from Paris tomorrow. Now let's see this short exercise to confirm we understood well. Fill in the blanks with rentrer, retourner, or revenir. Demain, je de chez mes parents. Demain, je reviens de chez mes parents. I'm coming back from my parents' place. Les élèves à l'école après les vacances. Les élèves retournent à l'école après les vacances. They go back to somewhere they have been before. So they were in school before the vacation and they are going to return there again. Il chez lui après le travail. Il rentre chez lui après le travail. Nous à Paris cet été pour les vacances. We had a similar example. Nous retournons à Paris cet été pour les vacances. Probably we have visited there before or we used to live there. Tu, bientôt. Tu reviens bientôt. So the person will return to where the speaker is. Now that's the difference between rentrer, retourner, and revenir. I hope you have understood them very well. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video. A bientôt. Thanks for watching. Preparing for TEF Canada exam? Subscribe now for more weekly tips.